2013 Chrysler 300M, or S actually, sorry. Chrysler 300S. It's got factory catalytic converters, factory X-pipe, and we did a mid-muffler delete right there. And left the rear resonators, or rear mufflers. Everybody calls them differently. Like that. You just want a little bit of noise, not a lot. We'll let you guys hear it in a second.
It's been a while. I know you're thinking the same, but I've been feeling like a moment can't go to waste. I let go of your name.